Rev Nation here. Got the 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in the new color. That is for 2023, the special model year. Let's see what they got. Oh man, yeah. It is $71,000 with a $20,000 markup. It's got the tonneau cover here. Got a bunch of people coming to look at this thing. Here's the back with the TRD Pro stamped in there. I think that looks pretty cool. A lot of OCD people don't seem to like it because obviously it's TRD's bigger than the Pro. But I think that it looks good. I like the styling of the bumper. I think that they did a good job with the rear tail light there, and I'm sorry, the bed light. Yep. Got the TRD wheels here. Those rims are awesome. Sitting on some Wild Peaks. It's a great tire too.
We've had it for a little bit.
Yeah, that's awesome. I like the fender trim there with the pattern. I don't know if it's like camo pattern, something like that. Yeah. This I think it's, what is it? Cyber orange, I believe is what they're calling it. But it's a pretty awesome color. Some people said that it looks a little bit pink in the sunlight. It's pretty sunny out right now. I don't really see any pink, but when you zoom in, you can see the metallic really well, and just the quality of the paint that they're used there. Overall, I think that this truck looks great. I would totally love to have one. I just don't want to spend that kind of money, you know, $92,000. See if we can see in the inside there. For the MSRP 66, still really expensive, but that's with everything now. So yep. Let's see what we got. Yeah. The suspension shot there. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. See the beefed up control arm. Got the Fox shocks there. I think down below, yeah, you get the TRD skid plate. Yeah, this thing is pretty badass. I really like it.